Delcam for SolidWorks turn mill combines the best of turning and milling into the same package for programming turn mill machines that have live tooling. Again, the whole key to getting something like this started is making sure it's set up correctly. And if you look at my stock, you can see that I have a stock axis here on the end of a part, and that my stock is a bounding cylinder. You'll also notice that I have turn mill positioning turned on. Once that is all set up and ready to go, it's really quite easy to program this part. I'll start with the turning feature, and you can see I already have a sketch down here extracted from the part's original revolved boundary. So I'll go to New Feature. You'll notice that I have a milling and a turning tab. I'll select Turning, Turn or Bore. And I'll grab that profile right there, and you can see an immediate preview of what that feature is going to look like. If this had grooves that I wanted to machine separately, I could remove the grooves, but that's exactly what I want, so I'll hit OK. Being feature-based, all of my tooling will be selected for me: speeds and feeds, step overs, everything I need to create this toolpath. So there's my original shape and my first turning feature. Now I want to attack some of these milling features, and it's just a matter of going to New Feature, deciding what type I want. In this case it's milling, and I'll mill this with the side feature, this boundary right here. Instead of selecting a sketch, I'm going to select edges. I can do either one. I'll select that as my plane, these three edges as my boundary. The bottom will be that face, and the top will be this vertex up here. And you can see that preview ready to go. The yellow arrow, as always, indicates the machining direction, so the tool will be coming from the proper direction. And I hit OK. And my simulation shows the part machined exactly the way I want it. I didn't have to create another setup for the milling. It just took the geometric information and created the toolpath from the proper direction. I can do one more here. New feature, another side. We'll select edges again to this plane. Select tangency to get the profile, and select the bottom. And I have my toolpath ready to go. And of course my code is done under the results window. So again, turn milling is quite easy. Because once you learn turning, once you learn milling, it's really combined in one package.